This morning I'm here in my bubble in my kitchen at home making delicious yeast-free pizza and easy homemade sauce. First step, let's get the pizza base made. In goes the flour, 350 grams. Then we're using baking powder, 2 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. In we go. Now, time to add some flavorings. Just a half teaspoon of whatever. Something like garlic powder, basil, onion powder, salt and pepper. I've added a teaspoon of salt already. If you're mixing the dough and it's looking a bit stiff, then just add a little bit more water. If it's too sticky, add a touch more flour. Sprinkle out some flour with my rolling pin. Make it fit whatever tray, pan or base you're using. I like to just do a bit of a mix of flour and semolina I've got here on the base of the pan. Just stops it sticking. Don't need to worry about the semolina if you don't have it, but if you have, it's a good tip. Okay, the base is going to go on, and then that is ready to pre-bake for 10 minutes. For the sauce, right, garlic cloves first. You don't even need to chop them, they're just going to go straight into the blender. Looking good. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. Tin of diced tomatoes, straight in. Tablespoon, roughly, of tomato puree. A teaspoon of balsamic vinegar and just a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Some salt and pepper. And I've got some fresh herbs. Let's spoon it straight onto the base. Let's get the toppings on. Generous helping of cheese, ready to get into the oven. I'm going to cook it just for a few minutes until the cheese is bubbling and golden. Here's how it looks, the finished pizza, yeast-free pizza with easy homemade sauce.